Present. I eat breakfast every morning. I eat breakfast every morning.
Past. I ate breakfast this morning. I ate breakfast this morning.
She studies English every day. She studies English every day.
She studied English yesterday. She studied English yesterday.
They watch TV every night. They watch TV every night.
They watched TV last night. They watched TV last night.
I play soccer every weekend. I play soccer every weekend.
I played soccer last weekend. I played soccer last weekend.
We have dinner at 7 p.m. We have dinner at 7 p.m.
We had dinner at 7 p.m. last night. We had dinner at 7 p.m. last night.
He reads books every day. He reads books every day.
He read a book yesterday. He read a book yesterday.
I go to the gym every morning. I go to the gym every morning.
I went to the gym this morning. I went to the gym this morning.
She teaches math every day. She teaches math every day.
She taught math yesterday. She taught math yesterday.
They travel every summer. They travel every summer.
They traveled last summer. They traveled last summer.
I write stories every week. I write stories every week.
I wrote a story last week. I wrote a story last week.
We learn new things every day. We learn new things every day.
We learned a lot yesterday. We learned a lot yesterday.
She sings beautifully every time. She sings beautifully every time.
She sang beautifully last night. She sang beautifully last night.
I help my mom with chores. I help my mom with chores.
I helped my mom with chores yesterday. I helped my mom with chores yesterday.
They play video games every afternoon. They play video games every afternoon.
They played video games all afternoon yesterday. They played video games all afternoon yesterday.
He rides his bike to school. He rides his bike to school.
He rode his bike to school yesterday. He rode his bike to school yesterday.
I draw pictures every day. I draw pictures every day.
I drew a picture yesterday. I drew a picture yesterday.
We go to the park every weekend. We go to the park every weekend.
We went to the park last weekend. We went to the park last weekend.
She writes in her journal every night. She writes in her journal every night.
She wrote in her journal last night. She wrote in her journal last night.
They eat lunch together every day. They eat lunch together every day.
They ate lunch together yesterday. They ate lunch together yesterday.
I play with my dog every morning. I play with my dog every morning.
I played with my dog this morning. I played with my dog this morning.
Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to English with Ratna. Thank you so much for watching.